Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aria. If you are new, I am back. I took a hiatus unexpectedly, but and you might be thinking, well, Aria, you're in a different space. And yes, you're very perceptive. We moved a few months ago to a new home. We are now in a townhouse, and we moved for lots of reasons, but I'm just glad to be in a house that we love. So I am going to actually do a very rare, I don't think that you're going to see me do this often, but I'm going to do a clean and decorate with me, only because I have been trying to find time to decorate for fall since, well, another update. My daughter has gone off to college and my son has just started high school. We actually moved to an area that's closer because he's in an early college program. And we wanted to be closer to the school that he's attending now. And I have not had the opportunity to film. So I actually have sunshine right now. And I said, you know what? We're going to just make it a clean and decorate. As much as I hate to clean, that's what we're going to do. So I figured I would take this time while I'm picking up the things and cleaning up a few things to just say I am so glad to be back. So after the holidays, I did upload a video, and I honestly was just not in a good space in a lot of ways. I just had no desire to attempt to share decor that I wasn't really interested in, which is saying a lot because decorating is what makes me happy. It is my thing. It's relaxing to me. It's exciting to me. I can talk about decorating and share it all the time. But if I'm just not in a good mental space, then I just can't. And that's what was going on. So after the holidays, I shared one kind of, I think a video in January, and that was it. I didn't come back and share anything for Valentine's Day or Easter, and we moved in April, and we were just going through a lot of things at that time. So I want to also say, I think I just showed this right here because I'm just running my mouth. I'm not even watching the video, but I could have sworn that I had one of my apple cider or acorn spice, one of my fall scented sprays from Mrs. Meyer's, and turns out I don't. So I just showed you one that I got from Target a few months ago, and it smells really good, but it's just not giving me fall. I do have as you can see, I have the dish liquid. It's been a while since I've done a voiceover. And here I'm exasperated because I can't find my scissors as usual. But I do have this, which I love, love, love. I don't like apple cider in real life. Like, I don't like to drink it, but I definitely love the way this stuff smells. But I figured I would also show you. I just got this candle. It's from the Hearth and Hand line. It's a few dollars. And I just wanted to try it because it's either you get a small one or you get a really big one, and there's no in between. So I wanted to be sure that I would actually like this scent. And it's also in like a cider scent, and it actually smells really good. But I'm going to stop yammering. I do want to share this though. This I got from Amazon. I love it, and it actually could work for fall, but I think I'm going to work with something else. And I'm just going to share, how I'm decorating my kitchen. I'm so excited to have a kitchen like this. I love my cabinets. I love shaker cabinets. They're just so clean and classic to me, and it's white. And I just love everything about this kitchen. I mean, I couldn't ask for more except for even more space. But I'm always going to want a bigger kitchen just because, you got to put stuff inside those cabinets. But I am excited to decorate this kitchen, and I'm going to stop running my mouth, and I'm just going to let you watch the video. Just an overview of some of the items that I have. These are my bins for fall. These are some of my bins for fall. I actually have a lot of fall decor, and I've pared down a lot. But I figured I'm going to go ahead and just lay out what I plan to use here on the island. I'm so excited to have an island We don't have counter stools yet, but they're on the list eventually of things to get. But I'm just going to lay everything out that I'm planning to use, and we'll see what we come up with. Here's what I plan on using. This Hearth and Hand arrangement I got last year is available again this year, so I'll link it down below for you. And then I got these from Michael's again last year, still available this year. And I also got these, but I'm not sure. I love this hops wreath, number one, so I have to use that. And you know, I love hops in general, if you know me. I just love hops. Can you tell? As you see, I have a bunch of them. But I don't want to go overly orange or overly yellow, or I kind of just want to keep things nice and autumnal in the tones, but not overly too much. And so here, you know, I could have taken this clip out because I don't understand why command hooks have to be the way that they are. But I thought that I could just use one of these ones that have the, like, I can loop it through. And as you can see in a second, that was an epic fail. And I was just so frustrated because I had set it up before I even started cleaning to give it time to adhere. And it was like, we're not going to let you do that. So as you can see, I caught it. I tried to catch it just in time. There we go. I was two through, so I was frustrated, and I just took some time. I took a break, and then I just used a different type of command hook. And at this time now, as you can see, I've lost some of my good sunlight, so I am going to turn my lights on just so that I can make this a little bit easier. Now, I have this. I forgot about this when I was pulling my stuff out. I got this last year from Target, and I just love it on my gas stove. So that's so fun, having a gas stove. And then I think that this works out over here with the pumpkins. I got this also, was from Target. As you can tell, a lot of the items that I get are from Target, okay? I mean, I just love them. What else can I say? I love Target. I love Kirkland's. So this little small pumpkin is a Kirkland's find from last year, and these other two items are from Target from last year. They're no longer available, but I'm sure you can find something similar. And I'm just trying to keep everything very simple. This is from Hobby Lobby. I have that for several years now. I think I got that the first year I started decorating for fall, which I think was 2020. And then, so I'm just going to take this greenery out. I would love if I had a really nice, just a different color picture to go with the fall, but it works out because a lot of the stuff I already have in my kitchen is white or off-white. And so I love how these little, what are these? I forgot what these are called, like berry bushes from Michael's look. But let me tell you, honey, they are a mess. These, when you touch it, you're definitely going to have pieces all over the place. So just prepare that you mess with it and then don't touch it again because it gets all over the place. It's ridiculous. But I'm just going to continue styling. I try to keep the same things over here. If I had something nice, like a nice cutting board or something that I could put behind the oil and vinegar, that would be really nice, but I don't have anything and I'm not going to go buy anything. But this is how this turned out. I like this so far. And I just really like how this looks overall. So as you'll see, I don't really feel the need to do a whole lot. But this is what I'm working with for now. I thought maybe I could put this over here, but then it just gets a little too cluttered. This area on this side is kind of where I do all of my prep for when I'm fixing dinner. So I don't really want a lot in the way. So I don't think I'm going to do much over here, but we'll see. I might add something down the line, maybe. I'm not sure. Honestly, we don't even drink the coffee. So it's really just for show at this point. Now, we used to be big coffee drinkers. I still drink coffee, but I don't drink regular brewed coffee like that. And neither does my husband right now because he works nights. But you didn't need to know all that. And so I'm just going to put this little towel that I got from Hearth and Hand. And as you can see, I'm cleaning all this up because I'm so annoyed with how much that thing left over. So I'm going to clear out this little space, and then I'm going to style my island centerpiece.
I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I.
And there you have it, my friend. This is my kitchen styled for fall, as it is today anyway. We'll see how it changes, but I'm really liking how it turned out. Very simple, nothing too much, and I appreciate you so much for spending some time with me today. And if you aren't already, please consider subscribing, and I thank you so much. I will be back, I promise, with a new video soon. Bye, guys.